Hi, natural beauties. How are you today? My name is Michelle Nolan, and welcome to my creative space. Does your hair struggle with frizziness, looks dull, and lacks some shine? This video is for you. It really is no secret that I do color my hair a lot. I do use a lot of heat styling because of my videos. I just get bored very easily, and I always feel new hair, new me. Having that said, my hair has not been able to survive without one specific brand. Now, this brand I have been using for a couple of years now, and I am so excited that they've partnered with me to create this video for you and to show you how you can restore your hair like I keep restoring my hair. For those of you who have been following my page or know me, you know that I have had every single hair color underneath this sun, and I've always wanted my hair long. I never cut it short. So in order for me to do that and still have healthy hair, I needed to seek the best products possibly so that I don't have to shave my head off. So I bring to you Medihair. First off, let's have a look at my own hair. So as you can see, I've combed it out. It's extremely frizzy. I do have some split ends, surprisingly not that many, but my hair is very frizzy. It's dull. It looks heavy here, it looks flat here, and my color has already faded a little bit. Surprisingly, it's really held on very nicely, which is really cool, because the more broken or damaged your hair is, the more likely your color is just gonna wash out. But thanks to my hair products, my hair color has been holding on, and I don't think we look too bad. But nonetheless, I do still struggle with frizziness. My hair looks extremely dry, especially with our winter approaching. It's sad. My hair is very sad right now. With my hair looking extremely dry, it's only natural that we move over to a more moisturizing hair routine, and I can't wait to share it with you. Please put your hands together for the Medihair Argan Oil Sulphate Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Argan oil is known to moisturize your hair and your scalp and protect your hair from everyday damage. Argan oil is also known to strengthen your hair follicles, which promotes healthy hair growth. Overall, using or applying this new hair care routine will leave your hair feeling moisturized, soft, and with a new life. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's jump right in. I will be taking you through my step-by-step new hair care routine using the Argan oil from Medihair shampoo and conditioner, and we are going to pop a special surprise in there for you, so stay tuned for a secret surprise. First off, I'm going to wet my hair thoroughly with warm water so that I can open my hair follicles as well as the hair shaft, so we can have that argan oil penetrate in like we want it to. So let me go do that. Once my hair is nice and wet, we're going to go in with the Argan oil Medihair shampoo. I'm not going to use too much, as you can see. I'm going to focus on my scalp in the front first. So as you can see, this is typically what I would do in the shower. I am not applying shampoo to my mid-length and ends because they are so dry already. Once I rinse this, the shampoo that's on the scalp will run through the hair and automatically clean it. So I am literally going in side to side motions. I'm focusing a lot more on the crown of my head because that's where it's mostly oily. And I'm going to go in with a second one, and I'm going to go into the back. doing this motion or cleaning my scalp with this motion, it also stimulates the hair follicle, which will promote hair growth. I think I am ready to go and rinse off. I'll be back. Okay, my hair has been washed. I am not rubbing it. I am not trying to upset my hair in any way because I already have frizzy hair, and taking the towel, literally going like this with your hair is the worst thing you can do. So I am literally just patting it dry, just a towel dry, before we're gonna go in with the conditioner. The reason why you would want to do this is even in the shower, you don't want your hair sopping wet, because once you put that conditioner in, it's literally just going to run out, and you want the conditioner to penetrate your hair shaft to give it that moisturizing effect and help it stay smooth and give that life back. Once I feel that my hair is as dry as I want it to be, I'm going to go in with the Argan Oil Sulphate Free Conditioner from Medihair. I'm not going to use too much. Again, your hair is at its most fragile when it's wet, so I am not working with it too harshly. I'm working gently, and I'm just making sure that the conditioner is spread throughout. I'm not focused too much on putting the conditioner by my roots. I do get oily hair very quickly because I've got fine hair, so I am very focused on my mid-lengths and ends where it's mostly dry. And then once I am satisfied with my mid-lengths to ends, whatever is still on my hands, I'll just quickly go through, because I did bleach these front parts, so I do want them to have some moisture. And now I'm gonna leave my hair for a couple of minutes. I usually do, I mean, I don't really count it, but I guess if I have to say, it's anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes. So let's wait 5 to 7 minutes, and then I will go rinse this off with lukewarm water. Are you still here? Good. Remember how I said that I have a special surprise, and I can't wait to introduce this to you guys. So I've just rinsed out my conditioner with lukewarm water, and I'm about to go in. The Moroccan oil hair mask will really help to hydrate my hair even further, because it's got deep penetrating elements that is just gonna really give your hair that life. You want that life? Yeah, here it is. But I'm not gonna only apply the hair mask on its own to my hair. As you can see, I do have quite a vibrant color idea. We are gonna put a little bit of the Go Funky red hair color, also by Medihair, and we're gonna apply it with the Moroccan oil hair mask because it's gonna hydrate my hair, plus give it that vibrant color back. Let's jump in. Oh my goodness, this smells like love. I have decanted some of the hair mask into my mixing bowl. Okay, I've sectioned off my hair, and I'm about to go in with our beautiful Moroccan oil hair mask with the Go Funky hair color powder. I am focusing again a lot more on my mid-lengths to ends and not on my roots, which will really make my scalp oily. I do not have a problem with the dry scalp, so I'm just focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. So as I said, I am not focused on my roots, but because I have this halo, going on here, I am going to put some closer to the roots in the front area, as you can see. But it's okay. If this becomes a little bit too oily, I just go in with a dry shampoo. So I've put a shower cap on my head. This is just going to help with locking heat in, which is going to lock the moisture in, because with the heat, it's going to help to open those hair follicles, and it's going to open the hair shaft to also allow the treatment to penetrate, and also to help the color penetrate, so that I do have the vibrant color that I am used to. It does say to keep the hair mask in your hair for about 15 to 30 minutes, but I've got extremely fine hair, so again, I have a tendency for my hair to go oily a lot quicker. I'm just gonna go in and leave it on for 15 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, I've washed my mask off. My hair is extremely soft, so I'm using a really wide tooth comb, and I'm just gently going over. I'm not combing out to like really comb out, but just a little bit before I dry it slightly. Before I blow dry my hair, I'm going to go in with the heat protectant spray from Medihair. It smells really good. Do I even need to say anything? Do I need to say anything more? This is looking incredible. And I literally just blow dry it, so you can see my hair's it's not styled, but you know, the whole throwing the head underneath, over and blow drying. So it feels so smooth. I mean, this is exactly what I want. My hair color is nice and vibrant again. My hair is alive. I mean, the frizz is gone. I mean, can you imagine what this is going to look like if I run my GHD through there? It is a lot more manageable. I don't have to stand and straighten my hair for too long, because it's already frizz free, and it looks alive again. It's not sad anymore. Let's try some curls. There we go. We have a bit of a curl going. I am so happy with my hair. I can't explain to you guys what it feels like. You'll have to feel this for yourself. It just feels manageable. It feels alive. It feels center stage. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and a special thank you to Professional Nail and Beauty for allowing me to experience the beauty of the Medihair products. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.